Hi guys, it's Natalie Crochets and welcome back to another video. I hope that you guys are doing super well. I'm doing super good today. I'm really excited because today I have a yarn swap video that I did with Katie. You guys already know Katie, and if you don't, it's Katiebeingcreative here on YouTube and Instagram and Etsy. So yeah, I will leave all of her links down below and everything, but everyone make sure you go subscribe to her now before you even watch this video. You're gonna love her. She's the best. She's one of my best friends, especially from, I don't have any friends other than her from YouTube, so yeah. I hope that you guys are super excited because I'm super excited. But look how big the box is! Guys! Look. Love Katie. She's so sweet. I just realized I don't have scissors, so I'm gonna go find some. Be right back. Alright guys, I got some scissors. I want to make sure I don't show the address while I do this, but I want to get full live unboxing footage because I am so excited. And as soon as you guys watch this video, go hop onto her channel and watch the video to see what I got her, because I made her a couple things and it's pretty exciting, so you guys should go check it out. And again, definitely subscribe! Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright. Let me open it so that I can get the, Oh my gosh! She got me something! Oh! Okay. Okay, hang on guys. Okay, I just took off the address so, you know, nobody can see the address at all because it's gone. But oh no, I gotta get the card. Ah, the mushroom. Okay. Where'd the card go? Oh no. Okay. All right, we're gonna start with the card. There's my name on it. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Aw, thanks. This is such a cute card. All right, I'm gonna read this. Hang on, guys. Oh my god. Katie's the best. Can I just say? Also, Katie, you're watching this, so you're the best. Okay. Oh my gosh. So first of all, this is so... Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. I'm actually tearing up a little bit. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, this is the cutest thing in the world and I am obsessed with it. Thank you so much, Katie. This just made my entire day so amazing, and it's just not even close to being over. I love it. Thank you so much. Okay, this is staying with me for the entire rest of the video. Anyway, like I was saying, these are scrunchies made by Katie's grandma. This is so special too. Like, oh my gosh. I will literally use these all the time. If you'll notice, I already have a scrunchie around my wrist, so these are fabulous. I see yarn, guys. Okay, alright. I'm gonna put my giraffe next to me. It's kind of hard to see him, but he's right here. Okay. I got a shirt. I'm so excited. Thank you so much. I love mushrooms. She knows I love mushrooms. Okay, here's another bag. Ah, my hat! We talked about her giving me this hat because she has two of them. Oh my gosh! Oh, it's so cute. I should wear it for the rest of the video. I gotta change it to my size though. It's so cute. Okay, well anyway, so I got another bag of scrunchies from Katie's grandma. Thank you so much. Okay, guys. Are you guys ready? here's a little overview. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Okay. First of all, oh my gosh, I see so many exciting things. We got a Craft Smart yarn. Sorry, my camera is currently broken, so that is kind of an issue at the moment. It's a big halo. Hang on, guys. Here is this yarn up close with no halo because my phone is currently broken, but I am upgrading my phone really soon, guys, so that's pretty exciting. So this is the Craft Smart Value yarn. I really like this yarn. Really good yarn. It is 354 yards, and I'm missing, and it's a medium weight 4, and you can use a 5.5 millimeter hook with this. So yeah, thank you so much. Very exciting. All right, let's see, guys. The next thing I see that I'm interested in is a mandala ombre. Oh, this is so soft. I love mandala yarn. It's just that I don't find it very many places. The only place that I can find it is my local Walmart, and sometimes they don't have very many options. So I will have to buy it online if I really want it. But oh, it's so beautiful. And this is called Tranquil. Oh, I didn't give you guys the name of the other one. The other one is called Light Pink. So this is Light Pink. But yeah, so we've got Tranquil. It's a medium weight 4 as well. 344 yards and 100% acrylic. And I will show you guys up close. Here's a closer look at this yarn. Super beautiful yarn. Thank you so much, Katie. Ooh, this is a really cool yarn. I've actually never tried this. Oh, this is the lollipop yarn from from Hobby Lobby. Oh my gosh, I've never tried this before. Oh, this is beautiful. It's so soft too. Okay, so this is the Luxe Lollies. Count on Coconut, I believe is the name, yes. And it is a 100% acrylic, and I think a weight 4, 3. I'm not sure. It does not say, but I'm gonna say it's a weight 4 or 3. It's a little bit fluffy. See, like it gets fluffy and then you pull it. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. It kind of reminds me of the Caron cakes, but different. A lot more fuzzy and soft. Thank you so much. This is amazing. Here's a closer look at this yarn. Super beautiful colors, really nice sheen. Love this. Then the next yarn is the Bloom Chunky. Okay, so Katie and I have been talking, and I've been really wanting the Bloom yarn. And again, I have not been able to find it. Except for my Walmart, but they're not really sometimes they have it, sometimes they don't, and also I don't really go to Walmart. So anyway, we were talking about it, so she included it in the yarn swap. I'm really excited about it. And this is in the color, oh, it's covered, Poppy. Oh, she uncovered it for me. Thank you. So beautiful. And as this works up, it kind of is supposed to work into flowers, and that's why it's called the Bloom yarn. But yeah, this is super exciting, and it's super soft too. It's softer than I thought, because I've only felt it a couple times in store. Again, I haven't even bought it, so yeah. But anyway, it's called Self-Striping Floral Print. So yeah, and it's 100% acrylic and 109 yards, 5 bulky. These are really beautiful colors. Super good for winter, and it almost gives me kind of a Christmas vibe. The next yarn that I see is velvet yarn. I love velvet yarn. Also, these are so cute. These are so adorable. I don't think I've ever seen these little baby velvets. I love this. It's just it's so mini, and I love it. So this is the Bernat Baby Velvet, 100% polyester, weight 4, in the color Misty Green. I absolutely love that color. It's beautiful. and I love velvet yarn. And there are 2 of these, but yeah, this is freaking amazing. Okay, the next yarn that I see in here is a yarn that I've never bought before. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh, I love this. This is the, I guess this is Huggy, right? Huggy? It's called Huggy Charm. It's 432 yards, and it is in the color Star Blue. Super beautiful. It says to use an 8mm hook. Oh, I think for this pattern. Yeah, I believe. Yeah, because here it says 5.5. But yeah, this is so beautiful, and it has this really nice sparkle to it. Oh, thank you so much. Such a beautiful color. It's like more of a blue, but it also has some purple tones to it. Ooh, I see some more velvet. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is Yarn Bee Velvety Smooth. I love Yarn Bee Velvety Smooth. Excuse me. This is in the color black, and she got me 2 of them. Thank you so much. Ah, this is amazing. Okay, and it is 100% polyester, and there are 80 yards. Amazing. Love this. I really do, because I have, I think, a couple skeins of like this really light color green, and it makes really cute frogs. So I can maybe make like a little bat or something. That'd be really cute. And here a closer look at these. Gotta love velvet. The next thing that I see in here is this Karen Simply Soft, and I remember her talking to me about this and asking me if I wanted the other skein, even though she had used some of it, and I was like, yes please. I could totally see myself making like a stocking or something out of this for Christmas. I think I should do that. I should make stockings this year, because I kind of wanted to last year, but then I got a little bit nervous on time-wise, so yeah, I think I should. But wouldn't this be such a beautiful color? I think it's called like, yeah, I was gonna say it's something like planty. It's dark sage green, or no, dark sage sparkle. Super pretty. And this is the Karen Simply Soft Party Yarn. It's 99% acrylic, 1% metallic, and that's what gives it the sheen. And yeah, you can use a 5mm hook with this. But that's awesome. Beautiful yarn. It has a really nice sheen to it because it's green instead of like a silver, so it's very beautiful. We're down to the last couple of skeins. Ooh, what is this? Oh, Tender Touch. I've never seen this yarn before. This is Yarn Bee Tender Touch. Bluebell is the name, and it is made out of 100% acrylic. This is beautiful. It's like a really, really pretty royal blue. That's awesome. I'm thinking of all the things I could make with this, but this is beautiful. It's so soft. I love it. This is like such a beautiful blue. Like one of my favorite blue colors, probably ever. Ooh, that one's super pretty. I've got an Impeccable. Oh, I love Impeccable. Super awesome. I've used Impeccable a few times for some different amigurumi, just because I had some good colors. Also, there's another Impeccable in here too, so I'll take that out now. Oh, it's not. It's Big Twist. Oops. Oh well, here I am. We've got a Big Twist as well, but let me go through the specs on this one first. So this is Yarn Lane Impeccable from I was gonna say Walmart. That's Walmart and Michaels mixed together. From Michaels. It's 285 yards, medium weight 4. You can use a 5mm hook with this, and it is in the color gold. Such a beautiful color. This is awesome. I could totally see some great fall items coming from this ball of yarn. And then in regards to the Big Twist, and also this is 100% acrylic, but at least I believe. I don't want to say that and then be wrong. Yeah. Okay, and then this one is also 100% acrylic, and this is the Big Twist Soft, and I love Big Twist Soft. I've never made anything with Big Twist Soft, but I really like Big Twist. I've made quite a few items with just the regular Big Twist value yarn, and this is just softer, basically the same but softer. So yeah, I really like this, and it's in the color Blush. And I like this color, and I don't often buy a lot of pink. I have like one section of pink in my yarn wall, which if you guys are curious, I do have a yarn wall building creating video that's hopefully going to come out sometime after this video. So yeah, I hope you guys are excited for that. But yeah, thank you so much, Katie. This is a beautiful color. So pretty. More yarns in here. One is the Mainstays yarn from Walmart. This is one of my favorite colors in general, not like of this yarn in general, because I love purple. It's a medium weight 4, and it's 397 yards. Absolutely beautiful. It reminds me of Big Twist, but softer. So yeah, I'm really excited because the only Mainstay yarns that they have it's this at my local Walmart, but it's only usually like black, brown, and gray, and white, and that's like it. And then sometimes they have like red and blue, but like all the just like the primary like regular normal colors, not like fun purple or pink or even like a light green. Like they might have a dark green. Anyway, Mainstay. I already said this is 100% acrylic, and then this is in the color purple. So yeah, if you guys know the Pokemon Gengar, this is the perfect color for Gengar. They should have named this Gengar instead of purple, but you know, oh well. Alright, last but not least, we have a I Love This yarn from Hobby Lobby. This is in the color Stone's Throw. This is so beautiful. I love these colors together. Oh my gosh. So pretty. It's 100% acrylic. It's so soft. Honestly, I want to even say it's softer than the soft, because it's supposed to be, it's called soft. Yeah, I think it is. They're both so soft. Anyway, either way, I love this. This is a beautiful color. I have to figure out what to do with this. Probably like a hat for myself for this winter. Yeah, that sounds like a good plan. I'll enjoy that. Alright, well, this is the last yarn in the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that you guys would want to know about this. It's a 5.5 crochet hook and 252 yards. And that concludes the yarn swap. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to go check out Katie's channel down below. Make sure you subscribe to her, follow her social medias. She has TikTok and Instagram and all of that jazz, and Etsy, and a Ribbler. So make sure you guys all go check that out, and not just check it out, but follow her on all of them. That would make me really happy. Specifically, subscribe to her on YouTube. But yeah, with that being said, I'm going to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. And wait, what video are you guys going to watch after this one? Because there's only one correct answer. And that's the one that Katie filmed of what I got her. So you guys should go check that out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.